Standardbot launches 30-kilogram robot arm and expanding US AI robotics factory. Standardbots has just unveiled its latest powerhouse, a robotic arm with a 30-kilogram payload and a 2-meter reach. Designed for industries like automotive and aerospace, it's got the strength for heavy-duty tasks, but with a collaborative twist. Compact footprint, user-friendly programming, and advanced safety. And it's not stopping there. The company also opened a brand new 16,000 square foot production facility in Glen Cove, New York, doubling the size of its previous location because when your robots get bigger, so should your factory. Behind the scenes, these bots are powered by AI running on NVIDIA's Isaac platform. This means no coding. Just show the robot what to do and it learns. Simulations through Isaac Sim help refine the process before real-world deployments. With over $65 million worth of funding, Standardbots is setting its sights on reshaping US manufacturing. As the world builds more robots, they're aiming to ensure more of them are made in the US. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.